Hi, I'm Vikas Shankar. I'm going to show you the coolest boat. And I will show it right now. So, here's the boat. Ta-da! And I will spin it just 2 times. So, this is all the water on the bottom right here. Now, there is a gear up here, and also there's a gear right there, and there's a gear right there, and they both touch each other. See, can you see that? They touch. And now, if you spin so here's a handle, and if you spin that, handle, that gear, both of them will start moving, and then this boat, they start to spin like this, and the person on it goes that way.